Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the 2012 Venza again, my car, and then the other day I was at a light and it was making all kinds of this rattling noise as I was at a light, and I figured it was it, but I didn't think it was this bad. So it looks like the heat shield right here, all of the tabs have rotted through. I mean, not one tab is left. So every last tab is missing. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way of getting it to stay and trying to get it mounted back up. The rest of the heat shield is fine, just that the mounting places have totally corroded away from the area that it actually attaches to. So let me see if I can come up with a an idea for it, but otherwise that's the source. And I figured it was the heat shield, but yeah, that's the thing. And the heat shield won't come out. All it does is make this droning noise. So all right, let's give it a shot. All right, give me a sec. This is what I did. You can tell it's back up. It's tight. I use these things. Got a 6-pack, but I only have 3 left. These fender washers. They're 1/4 by 1 1/4. There's a part number if you need it from the depot. And as you can tell here, I got it secure right there. It's not moving. Here, I got it secure there and there. So I'm down one. I gotta do this one here, but I gotta get another one. So otherwise, I think it's gonna be fine. It's not gonna hit this part right here where it's banging and making that grounding noise. And that's it. Hopefully that'll last as long as the original one did, probably. And we'll go from there. So thank you again, guys, for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video. It's a quick one, I know, but have a great day, guys. Take it easy. Bye now.